beautiful drawings, yeah, and well placed in the centre of the page. And the people that don't like this, the people that pick the children's drawings, or the really wonky ones, or the ones that go off the page, are artists. So it seems to me, I'm sorry, I've got no Carolyn's an artist, but I've noticed that because I've done it with just a mixed bunch of people, but often I know they're artists. And so it just seems interesting that, you know, the children's drawings would usually get knocked out, and even the only time when children have actually participated in the experiment was that one with 26, the big draw at the Delaware, and they were, you know, then children were doing it all the time. But otherwise, I just use the children at the beginning. But if children take part, yeah, usually the drawings do get knocked out. But there's always somebody that copies one of these really gorgeous kind of little children's drawings, and then just a couple of people copy it, but then it always gets knocked out. So yeah, there's definitely, I just think it's not, I don't think that's what my experiment's about, to kind of understand popular taste. And that's one of the things I wrote in my kind of concluding note.
Yeah, following on from that, I mean, I remember drawing this.
Oh yeah, you did.
That's one of those mine. And to select, you simply said, choose which one you don't like. And I think if you wanted to run further experiments, you could split apart, choose on aesthetic grounds, choose which one you think looks best aesthetically, from choose which one you think is the most accurate.
How can you think it's accurate if you don't know what it is? That's, I mean...
Well, I think when I did it I was confused on what grounds I was selecting. Or another future experiment, I think, would be to compare trained artists.
That's what I'm doing, you see. Yes, that's what I'm doing now, and I would like, if anyone wants to participate, I'm guessing most of you aren't trained artists, so... And I've got, yeah, I thank you for that, because what I did, a few people criticised my instructions, and I was doing it very casually, but I've now got the instructions written down. So even if I do explain them, I've just got the instructions written, so everyone gets the same instructions. And I took it to this drawing conference, and I took a new set of drawings. They're sets of 6. I've got 2 sets of 6 drawings, and I started running them with artists at the drawing conference, and I got about 20 copies of each. But I brought this original set to start a non-artist one. You can't do it. You're an artist. I wanted to do. If anyone would like to stay and do it, we can do it in the bar. It's fine. But I've got these 2, so you can do both of them as well. You can do one, or you can do both of them. But basically, that with a set of 6 drawings, have a go at this experiment I described. And one of the artists, this is something I want to ask rather than tell you. So one of the artists at the conference said that it was that what I was doing was an example of emergence. And